Okay, so today we are going to go over some basic keyboard skills. Hôm nay mình coi cái keyboard typing skills, keyboard skills trong tiếng Anh với tiếng Việt. Tiếng Việt. Here we have a keyboard from a laptop. This is a MacBook. Cái này là cái keyboard của cái Apple MacBook laptop computer. Dưới mình có mấy cái số. We have the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And we have the letters, QWERTY, as it's called. QWERTY, or in caps, if you have caps lock. QWERTY. Backspace. Okay. And let's go over the keys one by one. We have an escape key. So if you want to close the screen, you press escape. Here's a tilde or open quote over here. Tab. If you want to tab. Backspace. Caps lock to turn on caps. Shift if you want to individually turn on caps. And function key, F1, function 2, function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4, function 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They all have different functions, and we will eventually get to an explanation for each of those. Control, Option, Command, Spacebar, Backspace, Spacebar, Backspace. Notice that Tab and Spacebar do similar things, except Tab does multiple indentations instead of one indentation. And over here we have the Delete key, the Return key. Return key is return carriage, as in if you were using a typewriter, then you do that to return the carriage. Ding. And over here, if you want to use the arrow keys, up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right, B, A, start. Just kidding. Okay, so that is a basic rundown of the keyboard on this laptop. Let's go through some exercises. Okay, so a couple of things. I have a text edit window open. About text edit, this is version 1.19, 404, copyright 1995 to 2023. You could be on a PC laptop, on a Windows laptop, Windows 10, Windows 11, or Mac OS. It really doesn't matter as long as you have a notepad application. I prefer using this laptop because it's everything that I need. And so I have both a text edit window open, and if you do take the mouse pad over here and do swipe right, I have a Google Translate page open, and I've already pre-filled the text with "Hello, my name is Jonathan." And on the right, in Tiếng Việt, in Vietnamese, it says "Xin chào, tên của tôi là Jonathan." And we could even have a listen here.
Xin chào, tên của tôi là Jonathan.
One more time.
Xin chào, tên của tôi là Jonathan.
Xin chào, tên của tôi là Jonathan. That is my name. You could say "Hello world," as they do in computer science.
Chào thế giới.
Chào thế giới. Chào thế giới.
Chào thế giới.
Chào thế giới. That means hello world. Very common in computer science language. And let's do this exercise on text edit, okay? Hello, my name is Jonathan. Hello, Jonathan. My name is Brian.